starting and managing a new venture to create value, innovation, and profit. It involves transforming an idea into a profitable business, requiring resilience, passion, and adaptability to navigate uncertainty. Traditionally, entrepreneurship was associated with only agriculture and manufacturing. However, modern economic landscape has dramatically shifted towards the service sector. It is also called as the tertiary sector, which includes tangible activities such as health, education, finance, technology, etc., which provide solution and expertise rather than a tangible product. Today, entrepreneurship is one of the dominant forces in global economic growth, employment generation, and innovation. But despite having the high potential, entrepreneurs in service sector face some challenges, such as low entry barrier leading to intense competition, which ultimately put pressure on pricing and customer retention. Second, since services are provided by the human beings, it is impossible to provide the same quality of services across all the customers. Third, protecting a intangible service is more difficult than protecting a tangible product. However, entrepreneurs overcome these challenges and problems by investing in staff training, using technology to provide the same level of services, focusing on branding, and building a long customer relationship. Now, sustainable entrepreneurship practices. Sustainable entrepreneurship practices emerged as a new idea in the modern business world, blending the traditional entrepreneurship spirit along with the commitment to the ecological, economic, and social responsibilities. It moves beyond the traditional profit-only model to triple bottom line model, which include planet, people, and profit. Some core pillars of sustainable entrepreneurship practice include environment protection, social equity, and economic viability. Environment protection includes reducing carbon emission, minimizing resource wastage, and in fact eliminating the waste. Social equity includes ensuring fair trade practices, fair remuneration for workers, and empowerment of the community. And economic viability ensures that the project must be profitable in order to sustain. But this profit must not be earned on the cost of the environment. Thus, sustainable entrepreneurship practices provide a pathway towards a better and cleaner world. And entrepreneurs, by seeing the sustainable entrepreneurship practices as an opportunity rather than a constraint, can make or create a business which is both profitable and purpose-driven. At last, I would like to thank my professor Dr. Vishal Verma sir for providing me this opportunity to give this presentation, and all the students for listening to my presentation carefully.
Clap for her again. A very nice, well prepared and knowledge packed presentation. एक वर्ड आपने यूज़ किया बच्चे पल्लवी, social equity, right? Can you explain the word? Okay.
Social equity is all about ensuring that every section of the society is uplifted. It's not about that only some higher section of society are becoming richer and richer, while other section are.
An example?
For example, social equity.
कैसे ला सकते हैं सोशल इक्विटी? कोई एग्जाम्पल? जैसे आपने कहा ना, सोशल एंटरप्रेन्योर सोशल इक्विटी लेके आते हैं, राइट? कैसे?
एक ऐसा वेंचर लाना जिससे कि लाइक जैसे एजुकेशन सिर्फ अपर सेक्शन अभी भी अवेल कर पा रहे हैं हमारी कंट्री में, वुमन के लिए उतना फिजिबल नहीं है, बट एंटरप्रेन्योर्स टेक्नोलॉजी के थ्रू ऐसा कुछ मतलब कर सकते हैं जिससे कि just by using mobile phone and internet, even the poor section of the society can avail the benefit of education.
Okay, thank you. Nice presentation.